Dance like no one is watching and just reveal its sensation.
दर्शकों से निवेदन है कि जोरदार तालियों से इनका उत्साह बढ़ा। What a beautiful and energetic
performance that was. Truly sophisticated and well formed. In our upcoming event, the dancers have decorated themselves with a lot of silver jewelry. They have dressed magnificently.
You know, in Gujarat, music is the speech of angels.
One step, two steps, three steps, like winds of time.
Experience joy of centuries.
When movements become revelations of the dance of destinies.
Mari Jagadamba तुझो दे हमें जपी तिहारा अखंड दीवाना करे रे हे मारी परगट को
जोगा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा तुझे तुझे लगेगा जोगा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा तुझे तुझे लगेगा
Performance deserves a huge round of applause. Garba is known to be one of the most loved folk dances of India.
And this performance really embodied the true glory of Gujarat's pride, the Garba.
The performance had great costume and good commitment to the act. Nice use of the stage and props were really attractive.
You know, Ayush, I always feel the youth is happy because it has the capacity to see beauty.
That's true, Shan. Anyone who keeps the ability to see beauty never grows old.
I am a dancer, an artist, I am creative and a thinker. I express myself. It's hard to stop dancing. I am nice and respectful. I learn and I reflect on what I learn.
enthusiasm and athleticism of our students gave us an adrenaline boost for the rest of the evening.
Now the president of today's function, Reverend Mother Annie Bailey, SABS, Manager and Provincial SAB, who stands tall amidst the galore of educationists, is here to give a valuable input into today's great gathering. I'm sure the parents would be motivated as well.
Good evening to everyone. The Honorable Chief Guest of the evening, Mr. Amit Kumar Kako, IAS, Commissioner, Bastar Division, Jagadalpur. Our special guest, Reverend Father Thomas Mukdin Chera, CMI, Vicar General of Jagadalpur Diocese. All the distinguished guests, Reverend Fathers, brothers and sisters from near and far, the respected principals from various institutions, our beloved parents, staff members, and my dear students of DP. I'm extremely happy to be with you all in this colorful evening. On this auspicious occasion of joy and happiness and gratitude, I am proud to highlight Pope Francis' thoughts on education. He said, education is a family matter, and rather than contradicting one another, parents and teachers must collaborate openly and constructively to form children in core values which enable them to face modern challenges. He added, we must make careful note of the changes that have affected the family and schools, and renew our commitment for a creative collaboration for the good of children and of youth. Yes, about Deepthi, we have witnessed to the steady, progressive and lively unfolding of an effective didactic history which was launched on its growth orbit on 1992. With the eternal blessings of the Almighty and cooperation of the management and all of you, Deepthi Convent School could bloom and groom her children in the finest way possible to become responsible, dutiful and contributing citizens of the society, being models of lives based on values, culture and spirituality of integrity. We remember with love the thousands of children whose lives the school has molded with care. The blessings of the God, the tangible support system, the indomitable commitment and progress-oriented vision of all associated with the school made it possible for its changes victoriously to this year. We are grateful to all of you and thank God for the constant guidance, care and support we are getting from the Lord. I remember our former late President, APJ Abdul Kalam, who made it very clear, when there is right awareness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. He added, if a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, mother, and the teacher. Dear students, sometimes we may be discouraged, but don't allow us to be defeated. Top achievers in every field imagine themselves as winners, setting new records and living the life they truly want. And they do it by visualizing their victories in advance with the help of a dream. Dear children, transform your dreams in possibilities and possibilities into reality. For this, you need determination. Dear children, I wish and pray for all of you, you may have enough determination to make each day better than yesterday. Dear parents, you are our worth. You are our support and benefactors. Without your cooperation, our work of modeling your children into useful citizens of the society will be incomplete. I do gratefully remember all those who have contributed for the growth of this institution. I congratulate the former managers, principals, and staff for the remarkable service they have rendered to this institution. Let me congratulate Sister Sonia and Sister Shanti and all the members of the staff. Their very short time, they took enough effort to make this day a colorful and beautiful one. Dear children, I congratulate you too for your beautiful performance and contribution. I pray for God's abundant blessings on Deepti family and all those who are associated with this institution. And I would like to tell the parents, मेरी नम्र निवेदन है पेरेंट्स से, आप लोग अपने बच्चों को इसी स्कूल में भेजने से अपना ड्यूटी खत्म हो गया मत सोचो. प्लीज यू मे हैव, आपको स्कूल से थोड़ा संपर्क रखना है, कम से कम महीने में एक बार, ताकि उनका अटेंडेंस, परफॉर्मेंस सब कुछ टीचर लोगों से आप लोगों को मिल सकते हैं. स्कूल कैन ग्रो वेरी वेल, अच्छी तरह से स्कूल आगे जा सकते हैं. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.
Thank you, Mother. Mother, please do wait. As we know, Reverend Mother Annie extends her support regularly to our school and its students. I would request her to now reward the best house of the year. A highly awaited moment. And the best house of the year is Blue House. I request Blue House teacher in charge, Manish sir, Anjali ma'am, and the captains to come forward and receive the prize. Congratulations. Now, respected Principal Sister Shanti is here with a token of love, a memento. For Reverend Mother Annie. Thank you, Mother. We are highly grateful for your presence and your valuable input.